normal kan yam kana dial content barwani lingwa semeka Nuer online TV channel biakamal joba lingwa seme bana rwache ke yiën Dr. Riek Machar do badana shamat pin keje kirmayadit kan Museveni kuäär Uganda jan bana link kalerame be content chicken karyaleka ano biken galat ke Dr. Riek Machar bana keling let shodian lot be kon keling tin chicken ka plan ke tanda na chicken to ka do badana gor kano biken Dr. Riek Machar biken jakabit mena gwadia jor ban link kajalera mane ken kono niam ka Nuer online TV channel lan wala banjanga janu shanka jandang ro badak ka pai baro ron kina dangro ri jandang ro wan bana jome bana jelinkel man chalat ka Dr. Riek Machar gore jen wo mi jiram jidit ka Nuer online TV channel der subscribe ko de notification bell der jetwain ko mi chata mi breda shwamala shubagaji ka gwasandana gor ka jenu da ben ka je ani bana me bana jel cholinkel ko do bran jetwo ko je President Salva Kiir leadership is moving in a bad direction. He is slowly turning into a leader who rules with too much power, and his main goal seems to be to completely remove Dr. Riek Machar, the main opposition leader. This is not only dangerous for South Sudan peace, but it may also become a problem for Kiir himself in the future. Riek Kiir mayardi chairman ngai kon dialen ori rede we jagalong ki rede shi rin mogwa dong de nas de ken take je larwi de we ko be power keli be jakan Kiir mayardi again the main goal came and go and tama metokone gore jen o dare Dr. Machar dare completely dare je remove ke chajade jago dare la politician ke siasin ngai kon no Dr. Riek Machar again the main opposition leader man dinijen rewik ka South Sudan kelo jen manen yana tama kan bon diala content chari ala kabatin chit ke bon SPLIO bit ke telam ramal right ke teramalado ko Ramadan en bumnijen Dr. Riek Machar ano bikir mayadi tendo be Dr. Machar be je jako betrayti jen ka jowling yana gwasame awajen poinde awa yarna South Sudan ka yarna kuäär ka jodan chalat ban jome ban jelin gwasmene no reports show that Kiir is secretly trying to stop Machar from being part of South Sudan politics. The first meeting about this plan was said to have planned it in Entebbe, Uganda on April 2025. Entire shayat pinya Kiir mayadit ka gwasedan jen kana hude shalkeme Museveni tekan ka plan michikan reala kana ka gwasedan take report mishalada ne ala point de Kiir mayadi chiko dol kana Museveni ka Dr. Riek Machar rewe kin tebe andol mo toga ka shankaro ka paingwa ron kina dangaro yure jandangaro yure die kam the point de en Kiir mayadi kana Museveni mishu kana lada na moni ko gor kano biken jaw Dr. Riek Machar biken bat shirman ngai kondiale plan dana latke Kiir mayadi mititin gwade dana shik dol ka payngwan changaro ka payngwan ron kinara wijen dar wid diech la April changaro ka payngwan ron kinara wijen dangaro wid diech me shikan dol chukan nyoko jien nyok chukan nyoko dol ka juba ka chanka jandangaro wid dok ka pay diech ngoda ba Dr. Machar ba de kula yiën ka chanya dangaro wid bakel May 23 2025 jen shenge dan e dol ken keja name a secret meeting kaka adol mo dol ka pin ka do badan en biken Dr. Riek Machar en Kiir mayadi ken Museveni biken Dr. Machar biken Jacob bebet do be dan e shika dol ka je ka jen May 23 2025 the plan may include arresting Machar for political reason, forcing him to leave the country, and possibly other dangerous action that may harm his safety. Plan ejikalat point en Kiir mayadi do we can ode Dr. Machar de rod bara wike juba chicken cha gorjen wo de Riek Machar de laram kelme de tere wike juba ko jen plan dana gor kene plan mo me shika doltin and point en Kiir mayadi you can gujen wo bete ka do mi mo bi Riek Machar bi kan wo keja take a meeting no dien me shalat Kiir mayadi kene jangin koken namene a second meeting ba mishalat ba tiji Uganda tigatin ti jeng council leader tigatin dolena mo dol me bej gor jen o beje nyaka ye kel gwaseme dol ken ke ki Dr. Riek Machar do badan de ke Dr. Riek Machar de kan bat ke je ban jome ban je linkel. At the meeting where Kiir trusted security officers, mostly from Barghazal, member of the Yiën Council of Elders, and the 3 Ugandan security agents from Uganda External Security Organization, the Uganda agent came to Juba from Kenya on May 23rd or on May 29, 2025. President Museveni of Uganda reportedly promised Kiir that he would help protect Kiir government. Plan dana shalat kum Uganda chicken kiri ken jugono bajigang. Jen promise dana chicken no yen Dr. Machar bide gang. We will protect you. Jen promise chicken lat. Kadua be dana gur kene and go bike Dr. Machar biken yen keje no ko plan dia latke ke ko ba Dr. Machar baje yen. Ken plan dia kone ken kalat. President Kiir also said that to be working with the new group that broke away from SPLIO on April 9, 2025. Gorka Jeno and Kiir mayardi the wada chu let kɛnɛ natin content broke out group ngai kon la whole out group de kon de chitere malka me cha tanke jen ron kine dangra wir gol badage wala 2018 peace agreement. Na me a plan mishari alaka akan. Plan mo chikana de alakan wo bikenne de ala content chi aji kuma SPLIO bikan mal bukan lat keke so na me mishari alaka aken so mishit kana me gur kanu de kan mal de kan realaka ke genola group. This group said it want to support the peace agreement signed in 2018, but it blamed Machar supporter for blocking progress. However, this group does not have much support among SPLI members. Many believe this group was created by Kiir government to copy what happened in 2016 when Taban Dengai took over SPLIO after Machar left Juba. Plan shari alaka janana. Akaniten content to kill ke Kiir mayardi, but ke part of SPLIO. Plan dia ne dani ke alaka gui kana no na me shi kana dol ke secret meeting la dol mishalat keta chicken Kiir jogo no yen Dr. Machar bnei ne ko ken bnei convince la holat group kana sam members ke SPLIO ba bnei gorno bikan mal bikan no kon no kan mal ba jari alaka kan chara ke ne konti la community en go community ngum bikan lar so en meeting mo me shari alaka chukana gujeno be michit ke medana chalat ke 2016 atabande ngai bay nyom real ke jeka. That's why nen yen interim chairman choda kwan Stephen Parkol and go bala kuäär. This was a deliberate planned strategy michare alakana walka gwade dan anu ba Dr. Riek Machar baje dilian ka baje silent jentaye dan elet Kiir mayardi da right now murai kon. Many people inside and outside the country are watching what Kiir is doing. Some are even within his government. They are collecting proof of any secret order or action taken against opposition members like Machar. Kiir and his allies are wrong if they think they can do this in secret or without punishment. Information is already leaking out and some people may already have planned to respond. Ngai kon jodan le roda. Ne di ala content rar ne di ala content rejo ko so Sudan. One to one ngai kan mandan le roda right now. Tetanat ko dong tembe kanalat ko kwide ko wa Kiir gor jeno be kume be jelo kurmi di da long mi chabu long ko ba je nyom lo je jokten ko sem plan wa plan je a dangerous plan. Che gor jen go de so Sudan der te kamal. You know. So tanat dit till a tough government official ba ne to mo chi no no dong de kan shoot yen de kanalat ngai ko ne ka shangwal baro ka pai bakele dan. Okay, chikala no Kiir mayardi kana Museveni wallet ken kel chikala do let ken kel. These are top government official. Telade ki telar madan lat ke Kiir telet Kiir ka kana Museveni. Ano jin ram dini jen. Gor no jin bije yiën. Rest of the opposition party bika dual mu wi mashir na wi yelat wi Dr. Machar wi yere tijen betre tijen so taram be tokda bela kap ke kwido. So this were the reason te konte sharia leka akuma Kiir mayardi. Okay, so these are the plan to Kiir aleka. So en plan mo a plan would commercial kame Museveni kana point en Kiir point. So plan ko ba Dr. Machar ba yiën ba power ba wikeje, and then but the rest in kon gujen wo dong de kan ko de kan terwin wa biga shudwal chana jamilin gwada me ka jowaran chalat keje. One top government official who didn't want his name mentioned said on June 17, 2025 that Kiir and Museveni are working together to make the world see Machar as irrelevant. They are trying to stop people from asking for his release or blaming them for his arrest. The official also said they are blocking Machar from meeting with international and African Union leaders because they fear such meeting might show the truth. Their plan seemed to be delayed an investigation into Machar's situation until after the 2026 election. They hope that by then people will forget about it. They are still deciding whether to free Machar quietly before the election or clear him of any charges after the election. Either way, they want to weaken him while making it look legal. Plan a lot tem Kiir mayardi mraikon wa ke meeting ni ken diala kon let ken gor ken o char de Machar charge bulu nyatama ken ko inquire ken ben mi mo do mi kwa weekend Dr. Machar kaja. Dr. Machar ano baje weekend nyu the je ke ano baje gangre ti jen ka plan Kiir mayardi ken self care so self Kiir mayardi ken Museveni plan dien let ken mon wo ba Dr. Machar baje silent cha ja ko ba right cha ja ko baje nen cha ja ko be diala ko no gorgeno de lat ka ku kwaro en wo be jalat wa plan mel ngai ken kimi kare aleka. Even people close to Kiir and Museveni are getting worried. They say keeping Machar under house arrest without a fair process and stopping him from meeting foreign leaders is causing more problem. It could lead to a strong reaction. Jolat ka gwasame. Nathan kon tin close friend tin tenekel ke Kiir mayardi tin kel ka Museveni find den dierken. Ano de Museveni ken Kiir de kan international community de kan peno jeken ke Dr. Machar wana mene ko na ko jaja dierba. Ano ba plan dien ba jangach me jage kuäär ut me chalga me Kiir ko bela me jagbo so Kiir wa yer kuäär tama ko me wen wot ganga Dr. Machar ete jien e ko be jolo nya chi kuin kware chewe wa chi kora mo chep betel pek ko be run me cha padru na ponya Kiir be larno and legitimate leaders legitimate president me cha kwan ka jano ramishi political leaders che yiën che no go dere jora de jalat ka dwala ko ba kuäär ba yakan gaje wane me jekalon. So malat ka gwata me Museveni kene Kiir gor kano biga te ka power ka gwan me bar chigan gor no ba ka wo ke bugro den wo kwara. So jome be ben malat ke Kiir mayardi yangana mene mi chala da ne nyok. This situation shows that Kiir and Museveni are more interested in staying in power than doing what is right or fair. As the 2026 election comes closer, the world is watching to see if leaders will call for justice or remain silent. History has shown that leaders who use too much power and think they can be removed often end badly. Kiir action look like those of past dictators like Mobutu, Seko, Gaddafi, Idi Amin, and Nicolas Sisak. All of them thought they were too powerful to fall, and until they did. If Kiir tried to get rid of Machar by force, it may be the biggest mistake of his leadership. It will not bring peace, it will bring violence, deepen ethnic conflict, and may cause international action. Kiir mayardi mu wewe exercise ni power dan tege chiri medan e shalat tega kwara chirwe te chitke Kiir mayardi te ramishal ke Mobutu a dictator, Seko a dictator, Gaddafi a dictator, Nicolai a dictator, Idi Amin a dictator. Medan e ti tiken ka power tiken ka lwangu ken o chaka de mun watch me dongre kwara amenimo me chaka bojoj ajana gor kiran tama ke jan lat ke Museveni. So michit kana me mo ko ngoten kan gade let kan michit na me awaken bika jian kwara bika jian baka do me jakshi do me gwa ba kor mu dit ba jenong wa ngweno de ka rek machade kana kolun mo gor kana yer ka rek machar tama alo ku kan tur rek machar ku kana yar so let ken roine to jeka kwiden oram me jaram dan shimal shegor wade backfire ka ke long wade jeka long a chana na me chana je nyoko milin kono nyoko manana shalat. If Kiir remove Machar, it will destroy his image completely. He will be seen not just as a dictator, but as a cruel one. The Nuer people who support Machar will luckily fight back, and the effect could last for many years, even centuries. Kiir, Museveni, and the JC Young Elder Council would be making a serious mistake if they go ahead with this plan. So say that some discussion about Kiir's future are already happening in secret. These are not about plan or policy, but about what to do if things go wrong. Even if his enemies are preparing and waiting for the right moment, even Museveni may not fully understand what is coming. If Kiir continues with his plan against Machar, it could be the start of his fall from power and even put his own safety at risk. There is still a short time left to change course, but if Kiir continues down this path, history will not remember him as the father of the nation, but as a warning, and a warning about what happened to leaders who rule through fear and think they are too powerful to fail. Jo lat link kono me kim lat kono mentame muro lat ka gwasen be me gui Kiir no jan be ring Machar be jo just like that kata take je wa Kiir bro yik prepare ko be yiën wi kwam Nuer community ngai kan mishere na men go leader mi chaje yiën kuäär mi chaje yiën ko the rest of the leader bit kalora bang wane me chit kemen kwa Nuer community kwa ki ignore chajo dien chaje ling wane me ni Kiir leden mi jeng mu choro bulot once mu riek Machar we je removed maram lug riek Machar won biaje nen ba beje long kak netin konin te kel keje ka bajen don't fail dung Kiir ma yadi chaje bu nyoko menen a many story ba bad point ba ngaje no jene dictator a kuäär mu jek a kuäär mu choro lot so malat ke tam ke plan chalat de Kiir ma yadi a plan mu jek shi plan mu gwa plan mu goro naga na wo jaram nan kule la leader wo je ma naga na roden Kiir ma yadi chana tok chana jangach ano leave con 2026 election riek Machar jare tijen ngoda kana luñ so ngum guyena no plan Kiir ma yadi belet bo waka wada no ta ndana yena riek Machar ga jen go riek Machar be remain just like that in the prison no tija riek Machar be barara bianen ko the moment we shall get Kiir we move wrong move we jamek bianen go chebogwa a manetin kon te kel ge point Kiir ma yadi biya mi jek biya jelington so ne diaro na mray kona na bitke tena ka tane ke dupten kona let Kiir ma yadi ke chwa gwinjen wo mi she wude shal ga me bol mele she akwan things are getting good things are getting better. That is wrong. There are secret stuff that are happening even within Kiir loyal team na anti kel keje ne kona ngat keje there are things to bejentam so plan shalat gwasame Kiir kene Museveni why it will never work out point and Museveni point buga ni jen run kamen bu to run a shanga me shikane ko la jira sha chikan ngang re we keju pa mentama cha nan kamala kala te ga mu gwam let kene lenga jen go telem bu gwaten so Nuer cha ga chwa ka kel chemala kona ling jaso go mekan gwada ken ben ajen jodana gore de nywa yekel Dr. Machar ba jeluñ very soon ko jen dob dan be malbe ben ge jere wi ke sol sudan ajen jodana gore de nywa yekel an ban nyaw jigale rodien bi atema bye bye.